In order to be real independent, you got to be out here moving like a major, and you got to put your money where your mouth is. Give me the game on that. Give my audience the game on that.
What you just said.
Okay.
You got to put your money where your mouth is.
To be independent.
Yeah. You got to take them chances. You got to let your nuts hang. People don't want to do that.
All right, to work a record, how much do it cost?
People scared to take chances.
My experience in the corporate world and with Rockefeller was, if I want to be truly happy, I got to put up the money. Because whoever puts up the money is the boss. And that's that. It doesn't matter if someone gave someone a lot of money to watch. That's not a boss. That's a supervisor. And that supervisor usually thinks he's a boss and projects as a boss and will piss someone else off that's putting up the money.
Bro, don't have them expectations up there.
Yeah, and I don't. You know what I mean? And a lot of times,
it's for everybody else, because there's people watching it, bro, and they,
you know what I mean?
They gonna get let down. It's some young niggas, bro, like including my niggas, bro, they done crashed out about it because such and such didn't keep it real, and they go crash out. Now nigga doing 12, a nigga doing a 22, and all. Like, man,
stop being disappointed enough.
Exactly, bro.
You know what I'm saying? What you expect the other
can't
niggas.
let another person control your emotions.
All right.
You know what I mean? Like, because he ain't keep it real. You can't let it control your emotions, bro. Like, whatever you do, let that shit be, because that's what you want to do, and you, like, ain't with
it. And for
somebody else think you need to do, like.
Right.
If anybody want to say anything negative about me, I can say one thing. I own my catalog and my masters.
Right.
Which allows me to make X amount of dollars per year, which allows
me, from jail.
Even from jail. Even if I was dead, my catalog still sell every week.
Right.
But 100% of the entrepreneurs in this business, they either got glorify logo deals, or production deals, or label deals that they might have the right to try to buy the catalog back one day, which is impossible.
But this is an issue of ownership.
Ownership.
Ownership is an issue of business.
Business.
Business is what I want to talk about.
That's what I do.
I think you're a businessman.
That's what I am.
We're going to get into that.
One thing about it is, if you can check anybody, whoever in this business, they do not own the masters.
Right.
I do.
I know you do.
Business is about contracts. If you fuck over me in business, it's because I didn't have the knowledge to put it in the contract, and that's my fault, not your fault.
It really wasn't about numbers. Okay. I was smarter than that. You know, I didn't go in for numbers. I knew whatever number they was giving me, I was gonna have to pay back. I never went in there for numbers. I was actually trying to go in for the lowest number and the best deal. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you.
Mm-hmm. I was already selling tickets. I was already selling hard tickets. I'm a hard ticket act. I'm not a club act. I am a club act. If I go to the club, I'm gonna sell it out. But I'm a hard ticket act. I'm a festival act. I'm a touring act. You understand what I'm saying? In real venues. So when it comes down to them offering me, you know, money at the place that I was already selling tickets and certain things, it wasn't about the money. It was just like, I just want the best deal. I want the most perks out the deal. I want the most everything. And, you know, when I signed my deal, I didn't sign for a lot of money. I just signed for good deal points. And that's why I was able to, faster than everybody else, I was able to do my 5 albums and get the fuck. I was able to get, you know what I'm saying? As long as my work ethic was there, I was able to do that and get out of there. You know what I'm saying? No disrespect to Interscope. I love him to death. It was cool, but.
The person that blew me away the most was Prince.
See, I was going to ask you if you had a Prince story.
I'm so sorry. Yeah.
Get back to her.
Yo,
excuse me, what did you just say, sir?
Prince.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, by far, that's like.
What happened?
Well, I'm in Toronto, filming Exit Wounds. And, you know, we would go out at night. And I'm still like, I'm a rap artist, you know what I'm saying? So I'm on my rap shit. So, you know, whatever filming we do, there's always an afterwards. Yo, what we doing afterwards? There's always a what are we doing afterwards? Even though I couldn't really afford to do that, you know, I had to be back in the set at a certain time, but we put that shit later. What are we doing tonight, nigga? You know what we doing tonight, nigga? Hey, at the clubs, you know what I mean? Prince comes in with this big security guard. We over inside, whatever. He's like,
he pointed at you and said like, yeah. You can't just say that, actually.
Yeah.
He OG? Yeah. Cell block
so,
8?
You know, growing up, You know, especially
Don't tell me
niggas.
Prince is a gangster. Don't tell me Prince is like, what's up, nigga?
Growing up in the hood.
It seems like Prince is a G, man.
Every story we got is
Growing up in the hood,
Yeah.
everybody
Love Prince.
who didn't know Prince, but would kind of make fun of the heels
And the,
or
and the ass out.
the ass out,
The ass
shit
out,
like that.
yeah.
Like, yo, this nigga, you Prince type nigga.
Right.
We would call pretty niggas that. Oh, you Prince type nigga. To meet this nigga.
Ask, be careful what you about to say. Was Prince gangster?
Prince was gangster.
Oh my God!
Prince was gangster.
So what? All right, what was Prince first?
So first of
word?
all, he used the deep voice. So he told me like, "Come here, brother." He
Yeah.
used the deep voice. He got the high voice. He deep voice. Come here, brother. And he had a security like one of these tables, like push it up. You know what I'm saying? And we sit over here and like he pretty much backed half the club up with the table and gave us our space.
Wow.
And talked to me for about maybe an hour
Wow.
in the club. While music is playing about owning your masters. He explained how to gave him the symbol. And he said,
he was all about.
I was fucked up. I was fucked up for a while behind that.
That's ill, man.
This is real. Listen, by the way, we love Prince because of that. But then Nas sat here and and Nas said that he wanted to do. Like I said, Nas, anybody ever fronted on you doing a song that you want to do a song with? And they said no. And he said, nah, no one ever said that. Then he stopped himself. He said, yes, I'm lying. No, or he didn't say he's lying. He said, I missed somebody. And I said, who? He said, Prince.
I can see that.
Prince came to him and Nas came to him and said, I want to do a song with you. And Prince said, do you own your masters?
That's what.
And he said, Nas did not own his masters. So he said, I can't do a record with you because I want you to own it. I don't want these people to eat on. How crazy is Prince to say that back then?
Yeah.
I mean,
he explained the symbol and everything.
Yeah, that's why he did the symbol,
Right.
to get away from those contracts.
You gotta own your masters, brother. Yeah. But to me, I'm just.
What level is life with DMX at? And
I said this is
after the 2 albums dropped. Your movie star
after
DMX.
2 albums, yeah. And I'm actually. Oh no. Because I did my 3rd album in Cali with Cradle to the Grave. But this is Eggsy Wounds. I think I was like right after my 2nd album. I was like, you know what I mean?
You were at a height.
And you Def Jam's #1.
Yep.
Like there's nobody else in that building. That is DMX building at this time. Def
so
Jam.
And still Prince went like this.
And
Yep. And sat down and schooled me. I felt like a little kid.
In a good way.
I felt like
he's the OG.
Like my grandfather
about it.
smacked the shit out of me. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you?
But in a good way.
In a good way.
It wasn't bad. Like, sometimes you like.
There is no bad way for your grandfather to smack the shit out of you if he loves you.
It's true.
Right. And if you respect him,
he parked in the car with me, and you know.
If you didn't respect him, it'd be a whole different story.
Yo, to Prince.
To Prince, goddamn it.
To Prince.
By the way.
You closer to where you're trying to get than where you started from. Correct. So you got to keep going. And that's the point. If you stay down, you'll reach that point. You'll look up and be like, shit, it's closer to get to where I'm trying to get than to stop and turn around. Right. So, just stay at it. That's it.